Hey there everyone, welcome to this episode and thank you for joining us. Today we take you through a typical day in our life while we are on anchor. Nothing particularly exciting happens in this episode besides us enjoying our time with our dogs, shooting ashore for shopping and having fun in the water, and above all it is a true representation of how we pass our days living aboard Jam. We hope you enjoy it. Please let us know your thoughts by way of leaving us a comment. If you do enjoy it, please leave us a like, and if you wish to see further videos of ours, consider subscribing. Thank you very much as always for sharing your time with us, as we enjoy so much sharing our experiences with every one of you.
And there comes the sun. So we are just waiting for Hinton to wake up to take us to the shore for a walk to that little island. Right, guys? Come say that. And Hinton is in there getting ready. Dishes are done. Hating life because he was awake until like 4 a.m. listening to 25 knot winds or what?
Good morning.
Oh my god, your voice.
Give me a minute.
Saylor is desperate.
Sales mom.
The other one's gone. Ready. Some water, dog bowl. Saylor's already waiting there. And off to shore we go.
Okay, go to mommy. Alright, go to mommy. Morning guys. So this morning, well, I think we already mentioned like it was quite windy last night, so I was up and down and just taking care of things, making sure the boat's safe. Yes, we turned out just fine, everything. Danah's going to Spain to go visit family, and I wanted to gift them some biltong. So I made a big batch of biltong, like 3 kilos. And yeah, we got up this morning and it was as if about, well, at least 1/3 of it has been eaten, kind of thing. So that was the dogs. So I'm a bit annoyed with them, I'm not gonna lie. Well, I mean, they eat meat, so I can't be annoyed with them. I'm annoyed with the situation. And yeah, the dog's obviously biltong has a high salt content, so it's not great that the dogs have eaten quite so much like they have. But yeah, they've eaten like 3 pieces and probably about 90 to 100 grams per piece. So yeah, naughty dogs. Yeah, this is the remaining biltong, the survivors. Yeah, makes my blood boil, huh? Yeah, we've spent, but we've had so many unforeseen expenses to see diving and some other things incorporated into the channel. Love you too. Okay, we've got what we came for, so back on the dinghy, back to the boat, and get on with the rest of the day. Suppose we'll be doing some editing, some swimming. It's gonna get hot today again. We'll see what the wind does. It's been blowing quite a bit for the last 2 days, but our anchor's been holding well. Can you pass me that cake?
Oh, so hot. Time to swim. Saylor, go.
Alright, potato. Your turn. I'll pull them out. Here comes Jub's back already. Jubby, here.
Jubby. You like swimming? Let's go. Go to shore, I think.
Yeah, he's swimming to shore. I'll put him on the SUP just now. Okay, you can do it. Good boy. Don't shake on me now. Hey, Saylor, don't shake on the AC.
You shook on the AC?
Oh, all over the aircon. Saylor, come here, bud. Oh, actually, I had it covered, so that's lucky.
Jabu, come. Come, Jabu. Jabu, jump. But like the other day.
Another smoky day, huh?
Yeah. This is great though. Oof.
Yeah, my turn now.
All my fire calmed down.
Ole!
Ole!
You guys fresh now after your swimming? Okay. And SUPing to shore?
Which we didn't record as always.
Yeah. Now some melon. We actually had some avo earlier. And honey. Whoa. Well, we've just got the solar panels on the dinghy. Catching the last bit of light. It's now coming on to 5 p.m. I'm probably going to pack them away soon and go for a fish. By that I mean just trawling a lure behind the dinghy while I'm driving along the shoreline in about 5 meters of water, and we'll see if we have any luck. If not, we at least have some chicken souvlaki sticks and some pork chops, which we're planning to make a little barbecue off of the boat. And yeah, well, that's the plan if the wind doesn't pick up. If it does pick up, I will be limited to our stove inside the boat, so let's see how that goes. And yeah, I'm just keen to get off the boat onto the dinghy and see if I can go get a fish or two.
No. Jabu, you don't have your life jacket. Leave my car.
Well guys, I'm just gonna go out and trawl a lure for a while, see if we pick up any fish or not. So yeah, I'll try and record if I do catch fish, and if I can't record it, then you'll see whatever we get later. So yeah, I've been trying for a while now, and I just get all the seagrass on my lure, and it affects obviously the action that it's meant to have. So this lure is not going to work for us. I'm going to move over to my other option, which is a surface plug, and we'll see. This lure has 2 sets of treble hooks, and the other one just has a single hook, so hopefully it won't get fouled up as much, and yeah, we can see if we can raise potentially a sea bass or something like that. We're just trawling in shallow water, so shouldn't be too much of an issue. Alright, well, no luck today. Seems that the water's a bit dirty, really. There's quite a lot of seagrass and just a bit of crap in general. So yeah, that's why it's called fishing and not catching. Anyway, gonna go back to the boat now. We'll get the dogs out of the boat, off of the boat, and onto shore. And then we'll come back, gonna have a shower. Actually, we'll have a barbecue and then I'll shower after that, and we'll call it a day.
So we are getting ready for our last doggy walk of the day. Before sunset. It's still so hot.
Yeah, what's the temperature now?
I don't know, it's been a 35-degree day, no?
38.
38. Oh. And we used to be people that loved the heat, huh? Getting older. Okay, wait, Sadie. Okay, let's see how you do this.
Come on, boy. Come on. So since I fouled the propeller with our dinghy painter, it seems that no matter where we want to put the dinghy or tie it up, it's just too short always. So now we've got another piece of rope. I'll just tie a sheet bend onto it, or a double sheet bend.
Now things take just a little bit longer than normal. But the dog is here waiting patiently. Yoo-hoo!
And it turns out that it's perfect weather to make a barbecue. So we'll be doing that, but it won't be a fish barbecue.
Because no fish was caught.
Because, yeah, came up empty-handed again.
Bug.
What do you have? Coke?
Yeah.
I don't know what this beer is, but it's not bad. It's a Greek beer for sure.
Agua. Ay, no. Beautiful sunset and about to make a fire.
Well, as little fire as possible.
Yeah.
Heat.
heat. Yeah, just to cook some meat.
Yeah.
Enough. With this view.